Hello everyone, welcome back to Vulcan Alpha, to another vlog, because we haven't had those in a while, by now probably. Today we will be doing lots of mods on the BMW Touring. Not M3 Touring, but that shitbox Touring. So, what's happening?
Nothing.
Come on, don't be shy. Tell us, what did you break this time?
I don't have ABS and...
you don't have ABS? How?
The first tire wall,
yeah.
When you go Tiergarten and then there's
on the left,
barrier, and then
so you went straight?
Yeah, I went straight and then a little bit sideways, and it was only here, here.
Only here.
And that was it. No, this was from last night because someone crashed in my car from parking. Sure, bro. So what are we doing to the car? We need to do something for my new cooler work shifter. Ah,
we're gonna do a cover.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, and we need to fix something at my fender because eine Kante is not in the right position. So it touched my tire.
That's not good.
That's not good.
No. What are you doing first? The shifter or? So you're gonna scan it or what? And then 3D print some stuff around it. Fantastic.
Lapo.
Let's see the situation.
So this is
Lapo driving.
This is Lapo. Okay.
That was more Fast and Furious Vin Diesel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How was my face in this situation?
That's why you shouldn't wear glasses, so we can see your face.
You want to do another lap later?
I was smiling.
That's fine.
Nothing wrong, all good. Shining 3D, this would have been a fantastic opportunity to use the Libre, because now we demonstrate how complicated this is. We have a cable for the PC, we have the actual PC, and we have a cable from the scanner to the scanner. And the new Shining 3D Libre would have eliminated all of that problem. But now we can pretend it's Fast and the Furious Stage 24 remap. Oh, look at this. G-Wagon. Yeah. Yes, I'm gonna drive a G-Wagon.
Can you get in with that?
In a G-Wagon?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. It's not a pickup, so G-Wagon is not a problem. You know, logic. Look at that. All the way from Dubai.
Nice.
Oh yes. Yes.
Wouldn't believe it. I just beat a GT3 on track.
I do believe it.
I guess it comes down to the driver.
Of course, and the car. Dude, amazing. Yes. Dude, that's amazing. My first time driving a G-Wagon. Yeah, I might as well do the intro and do a lap, and then you'll see it on the main channel. Quick in the meanwhile. Ah, you're done scanning.
It's done, yeah.
Oh, dude.
It's so fast.
Yeah, I know.
Not like Misha on track.
Well, so far. Well, not only you.
I have a video, yeah, where you drive this shitbox the first time. Okay, it was only a half lap, not a half, little bit less, and you was slow as fuck.
Were I? Okay.
And I can publish this video. If you want to see this video, just let me know.
Right on. Okay, so it's scanned, so now you're gonna model something fancy?
Yeah.
We're gonna do some high temp CF.
No, it's just
because the box overheats always, so we need to have heat resistance. Yeah, just did a lap with the G-Wagon, was fun, but you cannot switch up traction control because it prevents car from flipping over. We wouldn't have flipped, would we? Anyway, back at Vulcan Alpha. I think in the meanwhile, Lapo has maybe modeled something already. Did you model something? Oh, I thought you... Dude, it was like a 10+ minute lap and you still haven't done anything in 10 minutes? Oh, look at that. Ooh, beautiful.
Do you want this covered or not?
I don't know.
Put our logo there.
You want to do it in carbon?
Well, I mean, we can make it in carbon, but I think at this point just 3D printing is the cheaper option.
And the fastest option.
But that doesn't suit you because you're not fast. We can do it in this color, but then no, right now it's already orange.
No, we need to make it black, please.
We're gonna make it in orange and then you can paint it black.
This is cut. But then you're gonna have this open.
But yeah, okay.
This is the only problem.
No, I think close it.
Problem is the weirdly shaped. Or I can do all close up to here. Let's see how I printed. Let's see how it works.
Okay.
Now we can change it.
Okay. Thank you.
No,
You?
So fast. Not
Unlike
like
you.
you. Oh my god!
Are we doing K20 swap then?
Nah, it's free to weight swapping next week.
Oh, next week? Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. And then
we should drive it now.
Yeah. By next year, then you can give the 328 to him then, because then we always...
Yeah, and then what am I going to have?
S54.
Nah, Ferrari.
Oh, actually. Ooh,
Yeah.
someone needs to build it. Maybe E36 with a... Yeah.
That'd be nice.
Sick.
Oh.
So it's going to be this color.
Why it's liquid?
Because it's liquid, but it's going to be solid. That's how it prints.
I never saw that before.
So...
We have also a 3D printer, but it's...
Yeah. This
You know what I
filament,
mean.
but this is with resin. So basically what happens is there you have lasers, and then it will just like grow it from the... It will harden the resin, and then it will become that. So, in short.
Okay. Never saw that before. But how does this 3D
This is with filament. So you have like filament go and then it melts the filament.
So yeah, okay, this is the same way we have a 3D
Yeah.
printer, but only it's small.
Ooh. Nika E36 shifter cover STL. This is actually Halloween print, I think. They were marketing it as a Halloween print.
Yeah.
Oh, the color is a little bit different.
And now it starts. So it's going to have 1,720 layers. Alright then. Bye. Shout out to Sonic that can really lift 1,500 kilos shitbox up in the air without breaking apart. Was it loose?
Yeah.
It was loose. How loose?
Like maybe 60. These were tight.
Yeah, yesterday I was on the site to repair something and to...
Man.
Let me try with both loose.
Yeah.
But it drove good, huh?
By the way, we have new actuators on our Nova Sim. Double the travel. So when you go over the curbs on Foxhole, lots of movement. Woo! Yeah. You have a real E36, why are you not loving that? You're preparing for next year.
He's gonna drive mine.
Really?
If you want.
Sick. You should.
You wanna drive my car?
Try?
Yeah.
We should go behind him so he gets off.
Yeah! Gio, let's
Do
go!
an E36 train.
One shitbox
come on.
gone, the other shitbox here. Can you like...
Oh, my brake sounds a little bit weird.
Like you.
Yeah, exactly.
It matches the vibes of the owner.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And maybe I have a stone between my brake pad and the brake disc.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe, or it's just loose like the other wheel of the E36. Because we already had the drive shaft on this car, we already have something else. Yeah.
But at the moment the car is working well.
Did you find out the squeaking sound?
How?
Oh, why is it making noise?
No brake pad.
Oh,
But
oh,
how?
huh.
Just put the wheel again and then I will.
Lunchtime. Yes. With cheese. Ooh, always wanted to do an EVO. Yay. Well, last year we've done a lap with it actually. So it was fun. You were speaking last year about more power. Did you get more power eventually?
Yeah, new full engine.
Okay.
2.3 stroker with big turbo and everything. So
Nice. It's 500 plus or so?
yeah, around
Yeah.
that, like 550, something like that.
Nice.
30 millimeters off. Just
Yeah,
to
the
be
next
safe.
step is a bit more aero, basically.
It needs a lot more air.
A lot more, yeah.
30 mil gurney flaps and we're fine.
So yeah, wing and the front splitter, so gonna scan the car, do some design, some development, and yeah, next season should be flying rocket, even more than it is. It's quick, eh?
Super cool.
Yeah, this is infrared mode, so there you don't need scanning dots, and it makes it super quick.
So we're doing chassis mounted.
Yeah, we're doing, it's a time attack car, so it needs...
Hey! Now to all the boys who are saying like, hey, you need to use chassis mounted wing, me. Well, on a race car you can. For usability, yeah, maybe you want traditional one. It's also better to strap a jet engine to a car to make it go faster, but like, you know, if you want to drive on the road, maybe you need wheels.
Like this can be removed, look. On in front we can cut it.
This we're gonna cut all of it. Okay. So this is the splitter is gonna sit on this. We'll see what's needed because this is completely
Useless. It was somewhere very important. It's in order to keep the temperature in a good position.
It cools this part of the tire.
Only that.
Yeah.
Now applying the Charoudin ASAP scanning spray to make it scan better. Yes, absolutely.
This I can do later.
So you don't have to apply all the dots. Just simple.
This is very quick compared to the old system with the dots and everything.
Yeah.
And very cool.
This still needs, so there's a more precise system, which is the laser one that needs dots.
Yeah.
But in this case, because we have so much geometry, we can use this as...
Because this is just basically only to see where stuff is sticking out.
Yeah.
It doesn't need to be precise, it's just to see where the splitter cannot go. If you would actually have something to match completely, then you would go a bit more detailed. It's actually shaving foam, so we're going to shave your car, so you can shave off seconds of your lap time, you know?
Okay.
Scan, and then, olé!
It's pretty simple.
Very cool. Well, I guess I'm gonna go and have dinner with my mom. So,
Yes, you should.
see you in tomorrow's video, whatever it's gonna be. Tomorrow's my birthday, actually, which is probably a while ago because tomorrow is November 11. So, but basically, content-wise, you might see what I was doing. Basically, lots of laps because we have track day and taxi laps, and we have also Chefchen visiting. So it's going to be fun. And yeah, of course, also more on this. And if you are looking for a splitter for an EVO, hit us up because we might get more productions. But yeah, this is going to be more of a one-off because it will be matching this front lip thingy. So there's that. Anyway, thanks for joining and see you next time. Bye.
Oh, Sarmas.
Sarma?
Ja. Hat gesagt, letzte Mal, das war mega lecker.
No. And a wild fast forward a few days later, actually, the end of the season, but we have printed the shifter thingy. And by the way, in case you didn't know, well, you probably know already all the sweaters and the 360 Nürburgring book things and the fact that you can use Misha 24 code for 15% off. But on a serious note, we actually already sold 20% of the sweaters in stock after 1.5 days. So maybe you should be fast if you want to get a sweater. Well, speaking of Christmas, early Christmas present. Lapo, where's the... Oh. Why are you browsing? I don't even know where you're browsing.
I don't worry about it.
Oh my god, it's black! It looks so good! Thanks, Lapo!
You're welcome.
What the fuck? Did I miss something?
I don't know. I think he likes your reaction.
Let's go see if it missed. Let's go.
Did I miss the joke?
I don't know.
Perfect.
Oh, that's it.
That's it?
Ah.
That's it?
I can actually, for the next one, I can make it slightly cleaner, but I want it to keep...
Go through gears, see if it...
Yeah, of course it works. First, second, third, fourth, first.
Fantastic. That looks good. Alright, fantastic.
Perfect, thank you.
You're welcome.
Subscribe, like and share. More content for you to edit. Hey, dat is mijn app couch.